We're gonna start off with the babies. It's supposed to be cheetah piss, jealousy fast. Knowing that it's jealousy fast, we should have a female plant with that one. Now this one came out of a bud, so I'm not too sure for real. Have no idea. This could be a boy, but we gonna wait and see. Flower did start. This my big clone. She almost touching my chest now. You know what I'm saying? Shit is crazy. Yeah, I just moved a couple clips around her. Couple of them. You could tell Flower done started for real. Shit don't wanna focus. Oh my Lord. Just focus, man. Either way, y'all get what I'm saying, man. This shit right there. Shit is right there. I hate that this shit not. There you go. There you go. So yeah, Flower started.